guys, Chris Mintak here. I know when I posted my Strike Industries trigger last upload that there's a question about the trigger safety not engaging on the Polymer 80 frames, and so I just want to clarify for my particular P80, it engages just fine, and there's no issue with the safety actually engaging. So I'm going to show you that in just a minute. I don't know if it has to do with maybe they put out a new batch that took care of that problem for their triggers, or maybe it's the way that mine was designed. I don't know what the deal is, but for mine particularly it works great. So check it out. Alright, guns unloaded, make sure of that, but let me see if I can get a good angle here so you can see that the safety does indeed engage into the frame. No issues with it slipping, no issues with it not locking, and of course if let me just go back here just a second. If I pull, bang. Okay. If I don't engage that safety, it is working just fine. So hopefully you can see that. So no issues with mine. The trigger pull on it is, I like it. Maybe it's a combination of my ZevTech trigger internals. I don't know, but it seems to truly engage smoothly. But I did polish mine up just to make sure it was even more less resistant, and so yeah, it works well. Again, see where it's hitting the frame there. There's plenty of safety there, so no issues. No issues. There, I might get a better angle there. Bang. No issues. All safe. Good to go. So, mine works fine. Thanks, guys.